Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Make sure your Google Home and Source device have power and Bluetooth on. In the Google Home app, tap the device card, then the gear for settings. This lets you control Bluetooth pairing options. Once in settings, choose Paired Bluetooth Devices or Enable Pairing Mode so the speaker is discoverable. Meanwhile, put your phone or laptop into Bluetooth Discovery. This aligns both devices so they can find each other quickly and securely. Now pair from the device you'll stream from. Scan Bluetooth devices on your phone or computer and look for the exact Google Home name shown in the app. Select it. You may see a prompt asking to confirm pairing. Allow it. Once paired, audio routing switches to the speaker so media plays through Google Home. If you plan to use this device often, mark it as a trusted or previously paired device to speed future connections and avoid repeating manual pairing steps. Finish by testing playback and adjusting volume on both devices. The Google Home app controls speaker volume precisely. To disconnect, use your phone's Bluetooth menu or say, "Hey Google, disconnect my Bluetooth." If something goes wrong, no audio or no pairing, reboot the speaker and your source device, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then retry pairing. This resets temporary radio conflicts and clears caches that often block connections. Once successful, you'll have reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.